Hey guys, Mrs. Keeney here. I am the school counselor at the intermediate school, and I have my little man here, Leonard Skinner, aka Finn, to help me out today. So with all of the heavy stuff going on in the world, I thought let's lighten up and let's make a pizza from scratch today. So buckle up, because here we go. All right, let's go prep. Let's go get our stuff. Walk with me. Okay, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna get all of your supplies out of the freezer. You're gonna come over here and you are going to scratch it to get it open. You're gonna have a little help from a little baby too. So if you don't have one of those, you're gonna wanna get your hands on one. Okay, so once you open it, ooh, there we go. You're gonna wanna step over to the oven, okay? So I threw away all the boxes because that's what they're telling us to do these days. So I have no clue how long or for what temperature to put it on. So I'm just gonna guess, and I'm gonna think usually between 350 and 400. So we're gonna go with 375. So you're gonna press bake or however your oven works, and you're gonna preheat, okay? So while we wait, we want to get the essentials together, okay? Okay, the oven is preheated. So you're gonna wanna take it out of its little plastic container, and then you're gonna wanna hand deliver it to the oven. And send it on its way and say, bake well, little one. Okay, then I kind of did a little prepping before we got on here today, and I got the two most essential things. So the first one is ranch, and the second one is, oh buddy, hot sauce. Okay, looks like the pizza's done. Let's get her out. And I went ahead and put another homemade pizza in while we were waiting. Okay. Wow. That looks like a good flatbread pizza. Can I get a zoom in shot of that, please? And voila, it's done. And it's delicious. No, but seriously, that was a really cheesy video, and that's okay. We need a little cheesiness in our lives. But I hope you guys are staying safe and keeping your social distancing. Seniors, oh, I think about you every day. My heart is with you, and you guys are just doing awesome. So thanks so much for watching my makeshift cooking show. I know that that is not in my future calling. All right, stay safe out there. Have a good time. See ya.